Welcome back to Windows 10 Administration. This is Section 3 on Securing Windows 10. This video is on using the Security and Maintenance panel. In this video, we will look at the Security panel and Maintenance panel in the Control panel, and the Windows Security app. Classically, in Windows 7 and 8, and previous builds of Windows 10, we could go to the Control panel for Security and Maintenance, found here. Under System and Security, the first item is Security and Maintenance. The Security and Maintenance panel has a Security panel and a Maintenance panel. Under Security, we have Network Firewall, Virus Protection, Internet Security Settings, User Account Control, and a link for how do I know what security settings are right for my computer. Under Maintenance, we have Report Problems, Automatic Maintenance, File History, Drive Status, and Device Software. In addition to these two panels, we have options for Change Security and Maintenance Settings, Change User Account Control Settings, and View Archived Messages. If you look under Security, you'll see Network Firewall and Virus Protection have links to view in Windows Security. The Windows Security app is where we should focus our attention moving forward. We get to it from the Settings app in Update and Security, or from Start menu with Windows Security. Here we have an overview of our current status, including virus and threat protection, which is green with the check mark, account protection, which is also green with a check mark, firewall and network protection, which is green with a check mark, app and browser control, which is green with a check mark, device security, device performance and health, and family options.